Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, that's right, and good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight with a picture from Kelly S. Walker. Says he saw these a few nights ago and he's driving by at 12:30, and I couldn't remember what they were called, but see these lights in the sky? Those are called ice pillars. And what we see here, as it happens usually when it's very, very cold, and what you'll see here is just vertically stacked ice crystals, and it's picking up some of the light from the ground and just causing it to go refracted all the way up to the top. That's what we're looking at, so ice pillars. Very cool looking shot, Kelly. Thanks for sending that in. And let me show you another picture tonight. Here's the way it looked from Chief Joseph Highway, looking at Hart Mountain. Sherry Petty got this picture, and he's a little blanket of fog across there. Very cool picture there as well. Here's what it looks at Billings right now, though. Tonight, currently 33 degrees with a southwest wind at 15 miles per hour. Makes it feel like 23 degrees above zero. Above zero for the change. We like that wind chill. 38 degrees was your high temp today, not far from your normal 39. The record 64 in 2015. Record low is 22 below zero back in 1936. And as far as precipitation, nothing new to add to the totals today. So we're just really close to normal for the month and way ahead of normal for the year at 113. And as you'll see, our current temperatures right now, basically all through here, we're pretty warm into the 20s and 30s, but across the high line, we still got some cold Arctic air lingering in that area. You see a lot of sub-zero above and below zero in that area. Zero right now at Glendive and Miles City, about 5 degrees above zero. 41 right now in the Sheridan. By the way, they're high today, topped out at 43. Same thing over Cody, 44. We had a lot of 30s and 40s to the southwest, and high temps single digits above and below zero across the high line again today. Now here's the story. Doppler radar shows you cloudy skies across southern Montana. Your next batch of snow moving in towards the northwest. That's going to continue to push into our region. So what's happening, we got a lot of moisture streaming off the Pacific Ocean, moving through Oregon, Washington, in towards Idaho, and eventually to northwest Montana. Eventually this whole line is going to start sinking towards the south. So here's the way it is at the moment. We had a nice warm front sweep across our area today, cooked us up into the 30s, some cases into the 40s, but now tomorrow that becomes a cold front, and all that moisture starts overrunning that cold air. Then that cold front starts sinking south. It takes this cold air and the snow showers with it. By about 9:30 tomorrow night, it'll be continuing to snow in the Billings area. Then by Thursday, the whole thing drops down towards the south, and another batch of moisture starts moving in from the southwest. So how much snow are we talking about? Well, it looks like by the time Friday gets here, Billings could be looking at maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow. That's what all the computer models kind of all agree on right now. 1 to 2 inches towards the southwest. 6 to 10 up at Cutbank, and you'll see basically places like Miles City and Glendive, maybe 4 to 6 inches, 4 to 6 inches over at Jordan. Now tonight, our temps will cool back down to the 20s out in the west. Single digits below zero across the high line here in Billings, maybe 23 degrees for the overnight low. It'll be 9 degrees at Miles City, 6 below over at Sydney tonight, 23 at Broadus. Then tomorrow, we get right back up to the 40s at Broadus, 44. We'll top out at 70 at Sydney, 27 degrees over Miles City here. Billings up to 38, but the snow showers will be moving in later on in the day out in the far west. 20s and 30s out there with also scattered snow showers moving in. So here in Billings tonight, it'll be partly cloudy to cloudy skies, 23 degrees and warmer. Winds out of the southwest at maybe 10 to 20 miles per hour. Next 7 days, it'll be 38 degrees on Wednesday with about 2 inches of snow moving in late in the day. On Thursday, look for a high of 19 and sunny. 27 degrees on Friday with a 40% chance for snow showers. Into the weekend, we'll see a kind of a cold Sunday down to 9 degrees. Good 20 to 40% chance for snow over the weekend. President's Day, 10 degrees, back up to 18 degrees on Tuesday, but mostly sunny skies moving in. That's weather. Let's go back to the desk.